Botani mzonsundu kwindawo ngendawo nikuzo uvimba wethu ngokuhlwanje siwuvula ngalomyalezo kasekela mongameli weli umnumzana David Mabuza. Sekela mongameli weli umnumzana David Mabuza uthumele umyalezo enqwenelela abemi beli iKrismesi emnandi eyokozela amathamsanqa. Kulomyalezo umnumzana Mabuza ubalule imiba emininzi ethe yabalasela kulonyaka.
Fellow South Africans, once again it is that time of the year in our calendar where we join in various festivities, our families, our friends, our loved ones, our communities, to mark the end of an often long and busy year. To some it has been a year of success and coming to life of hope for a better tomorrow. Yet for others it has been a year of pain and grief for the loss of their loved ones. 2019 has been a tough year as our economy continued to strain, leading to job losses. We have experienced certain inconveniences visited upon us by less than predictable energy supply, causing power outages in our homes and areas of work. This has led to unfortunate disruptions of our daily lives, and we commit to change this situation for the better. We further experienced drought in some provinces that has affected agricultural production and impacting on food security and jobs in the sector. In the similar vein, there are many South Africans who lost their homes and belongings due to floods. These contrasting natural disasters are a testament to changing climatic conditions, as government will continue to ensure that the impact of these changes are mitigated. In the midst of all these changes, this has also been a year of major successes that brings a sense of pride and nationhood. In May this year, we successfully held our national general election, marking 25 years of freedom. Went out united to vote in our millions and peacefully exercise our democratic right to elect parties of our choice that will represent us in parliament and provincial legislatures. Fellow South Africans, our comprehensive programs against HIV and AIDS, TB, sexually transmitted infections continued to yield good results. We now have the biggest HIV treatment program in the whole world, which we now must complement with a massive program on prevention. As we enjoy ourselves during the festive period, we are particularly called upon to act responsibly and prevent new infections that are mostly affecting young members of our communities. On socio-cultural front, the Soweto Gospel Choir won the Grammy for the Best World Music Album. Miss Zozibini Tunzi won the Miss Universe title. Our 17-year-old Kialebura Matsafu was crowned Miss Teen Queen of the Globe for 2019. Our netball team were crowned 2019 Africa Netball Champions. The Springboks brought home the Webb Ellis Cup, and the under-23 football team qualified for 2020 Olympic Games. These are but some of the many achievements of South Africans here at home and abroad. Indeed, despite all our challenges, we remain a winning nation. Just as we celebrate these human achievements, in the same breath, we are mindful of the plight of racism, tribalism, violence against women, xenophobia, homophobia, that continues to befall our nation. These social ills are in conflict with our values as South Africans. For us, Christmas should represent a new season of hope for a different tomorrow. Therefore, during this time, we must commit to a different path of a South Africa that we aspire for ourselves and future generations. A South Africa where poverty and unemployment will not be a defining feature of our nation. In this regard, government will continue to prioritize young people, women who are the majority in our society, and who in the main are the unemployed. On behalf of the President and government, we would like to wish you and your families Merry Christmas and a joyous festive season. We thank you.